We have a lot of customers ask how you can get a half stitch when it comes time to sew it in an exact position, like in a corner. And it can be done with the stitch length lever. And this can be done with any sewing machine, not just the Sailrite Ultrafeed sewing machines. We're going to show you how it's done. Okay, we have a sample piece here and we're sewing 6mm. Usually if I'm sewing something like this, I'd sew a smaller stitch length. And we have our corner here marked. I did a 1/2 inch from this plate assembly and a 1/2 inch in here, and we want to hit this mark. I need to cut a slit here going less than a 1/2 inch so I can turn this corner. And we're going to sew that, and hopefully we're going to miss this mark. That's why I'm sewing a longer stitch length of a 6mm here. Yes, we're going to miss the mark here by just a fraction. So what do you do when your needle's going to miss the mark? Well, you come over to your stitch length lever, and if you push down on the lever before the needle enters, you can see I can move that fabric assembly all over the place. Push down here on the stitch length lever, and the needle would enter right here. Move it up a little bit, and you see the fabric moves over here, right where I want it. So right here is where I want the needle to enter. So hold the stitch length lever there. I can use my hand to rotate the balance wheel. The needle enters right where I want it to. I can let go of the stitch length lever, rotate the balance wheel till the needle's up a little bit, lift the foot so the needle's still buried in the fabric, pivot the fabric around to rotate around, and then lower the foot and sew down this side. And we have hit the mark by using the stitch length lever right where we want it to. You can see we're right on that mark, exactly what we want. Beautiful.
Want to see more? Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.